Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Affiliate programs. How to choose the best program to market. Major advances have been made in e-commerce, and have given birth to one of the easiest ways of generating income online, marketing affiliate programs. There are many affiliate programs available for making money on the Internet. If you are a website owner, promoting products and services through affiliate programs can be an excellent way to monetize your traffic. If you don't already own a website, you can still make money with affiliate programs. A good affiliate program has many advantages. Here are a few of the best features you should look for in an affiliate program. Choosing the wrong affiliate program to market can have an extremely negative impact on your business, and it is very important that you choose your programs carefully. 1. The affiliate program should have a good reputation for paying affiliates on time. There are some affiliate programs that cheat their affiliates by not paying them on time or not at all. Do your best to avoid these programs. 2. The affiliate program should offer a wide variety of flash banners, pop-ups, and image banners that can be added to an affiliate's website. Providing marketing support in the way of promotional tools shows that an affiliate program is concerned with their affiliate's success. 3. The affiliate program system should offer a variety of landing pages so that affiliates can set a different landing page for every text, banner, and ad links. 4. The affiliate program software should support a multi-tier commission structure. 5. The affiliate program should provide accurate affiliate stats. Providing a solid stats package gives affiliates the ability to track their campaigns, make necessary adjustments, and generate more sales. 6. The affiliate program owners should provide quick support for getting answers to questions in a timely manner. Hopefully these tips will help you in choosing the very best affiliate programs to market for. There are many choices available to today's online affiliate marketer. Make your decisions carefully. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun.